Meaning of foundation stone.
Foundation stone.
Foundation stone.
Foundation stone.
Foundation stone. The foundation stone is a ceremonial block or stone that is often laid at the base of a new building. It symbolizes the beginning of construction and represents the stability and durability of the structure. The laying of the foundation stone is often accompanied by a ceremony, signifying the importance of the project and the hope for its success. Once the foundation stone is laid, construction can begin in earnest, with the stone serving as the starting point for the building's foundation and eventual realization.